Hello everybody, Killdeer here, come to give you an update on the chicken coop. Plus I have a little surprise for the chickens. See if I can get this all in here and make it through the door. I got too much stuff in my hands. Okay ladies, let me in. Come on, let me in. I got new boxes. Come on, ladies. You gotta let me in. Well, let me in. Look what they get to munch out on. That's the big guy there, Big Red. And here's a scratch for him. They're having a ball with that watermelon. But it's been pretty hot today. The chickens are coming along just fine. I forgot the rest of the feed. But these are the boxes I made for them. Here's the rest of my feed for them. Looks like I need to get some water. But well, they're having a ball with that watermelon. Just make a hog out of yourself. You know y'all chickens, not hogs. Come on, let me dump it. This is my big guy. What are you over there fussing about? She's over there fussing. Strutting around fussing. Yeah. Yeah. They seem to like it. Haven't got no eggs yet. But I seen Big Red doing his job the other day. I come in to feed and he didn't care I was there. Trying to hold this door open. Nothing yet. Oh well, they're still young. They're still young. Oh, that water, that watermelon still. Okay, ladies, don't get a bellyache from too much watermelon. But I got a 5-gallon bucket over there that I use to go fill this water up. Usually lasts a couple of days. Well, that's what I gotta do now. That's my update on my chicken coop. What I'm thinking about doing too is, I can't zoom out far enough, but on these doors, cutting a window inside this door here, this door panel, and covering it with chicken wire. I need to put a ladder in there for they can roost during the day. That'll be my next project for them. Fussy, fussy. Anyhow, thanks for watching, guys. If you like, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and then you get further notifications. Have a great day, everybody. God bless.